Da 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 da. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Greer Stadium for the 2013 Nashville Sounds of Baseball. Buy me some. No peanuts today, guys. Got allergies. Feel bad for those guys. I love peanuts. Almonds. No pecans, though. I hate you, pecans. You know why. Hey, we got R.A. Dickey bobblehead. That guy is so famous for his beard. A lot of people think it's his knuckleball. It's because he looks like Alf. Melmac. Me and him go way back. It's cool. I think it is his bobblehead. I was trying to get my own bobblehead, and apparently you have to win Cy Young to get one. So I was like, all right. What's all this garbage about double bubble? I chewed a piece of gum. I got one bubble out of it. It was gone. That's false advertising. Just like bazooka. There was no military weapon in the little bag.